Hi, my name is Kavya Jairam. I was part of the study abroad program with UT this year, and I'm currently headed to Cornell University in the US. And I was admitted into the College of Engineering. I think UT has helped and played a huge role in my application process because it can be a little overwhelming picking colleges, picking majors, writing essays, giving your SAT, all while balancing your school curriculum as well. But UT has helped me in all these aspects, whether it was the extra SAT classes that I took, which really helped improve my scores, or the English sessions that I took, which enhanced my essays, and or the college selection program, which Anubhav sir was extremely helpful in, and he sort of narrowed it down and gave me like a chart and a list of like target, dream, and reach schools, just so that this entire process became a little more streamlined. I think I'm extremely grateful to UT for their support, and I wouldn't have been here without them today.